Hello, in this video, as the next in the series of the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce, we're about to enter the campaign setup part of the checklist. So the first question in this section is, are you using Google Shopping? If you're an e-commerce business and you're not using Google Shopping, then you're missing out on a massive opportunity. It doesn't matter if you have one product or if you have a million products. You need to be using Google Shopping. The next part of this question is, if you are using Google Shopping, do you have your product groups sensibly organized? Do you have a way of breaking down your product feed and your product groups into a way that makes sense for you, and it makes it easier for you to make adjustments to your campaigns to give you the best results? So, for example, one particular way that I like to do is to categorize products. I use a custom label to allocate a price range on a product, because if I have somebody who sells everything from a spray can lid that costs, or a fat cap that costs 50p, right up to fully stocked racks of spray paint that are in the hundreds, even £1,000 plus, in my shopping campaign, that's a very different situation. That's a very different, I want to bid very differently on those two products, because obviously I can afford to spend more to get the sale of the spray can rack than I can for a little 50p fat cap to go on a graffiti spray can. So it's very important that you understand how you want, that you have a logical structure in your shopping campaigns to help you optimize the campaigns. Which does lead me on to the second point then, which is, can you bid differently on different products? What I see far too often is a shopping campaign which has a single ad group, which has one product group, which just has everything in that product group. So every single product is all stuck in the same product group, which means every single product has exactly the same bid. So following on from what I just said about the sort of the fat cap and the fully stocked rack, it's not sensible to have the same bid for those two products. So you need to have your structure of your campaign such that sometimes you might want to bid on individual products. So you need to think about that and how you want to do that. Sometimes you might want to bid on groups of products that you can group together, so you'd have the same bid for multiple products, so you get more data faster that way than you do just bidding on a single product. But you need to think about all this, and you need to make sure that the structure of your shopping campaigns is set up in the optimal way, and that if you need to, that you can bid on individual products and monitor data for individual products, if that makes sense for your particular store. So there's a lot more I could go into on shopping campaigns. It's a massive, it's a kind of a massive area, and there's a lot that I can go into. What I'll probably going to do is maybe do a webinar or a longer video showing you the best way to structure shopping campaigns and some advanced techniques to make your shopping campaigns more profitable. But at the very least, you need to be doing at least one shopping campaign if you're running an e-commerce store. So that's our checklist item for today. And if you have any questions, post them below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then get notified of the next item, when I will see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.